Use a silk cotton sari for this method. Tuck the end of the sari non-pallu end on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and leave some length of fabric and tuck on the left waist. Draping the sari over, bring it to the front. Bring the pallu over the left shoulder to show the border in an extra pleat. Then tuck the pleats in the center. Now take the right shoulder from front to back and secure it with a